God is kind. My dear students, I am well. I hope that you are also well. Today I am Mr. Sujokanta Barman, an assistant teacher of Razorhat Pilot Online School. Today I am discussing about the future tense for the students of class 7 subject English second paper. Can you tell me what is called the future tense? Okay, this future tense describes an action in the future time. As for example, I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. You will help me. They will play football, etc. Now I am discussing about the simple future or the future indefinite tense. What is called the simple future or the future indefinite tense? The simple future or the future indefinite tense denotes an actions that will happen in the future. Okay? As for example, I shall go to Dhaka tomorrow. They will help me. We shall wait for you. The players will play football, etc. Now, I am discussing about the future continuous tense. What is called the future continuous tense? The future continuous tense refers an action which will be in progress at some time in the future. As for example, I shall be going to Dhaka. They will be helping for the poor. You shall be reading a book. We shall be helping for the poor man, etc. Now I am discussing about the future perfect tense. What is called the future perfect tense? The future perfect tense denotes for an action that will completed before in the future at for some time in the future time, or it denotes for an action completed before in the future tense. Next, I am discussing, okay, as for example, I shall have finished the work before he comes or he will come. We shall have finished the work before he comes or he will come. Again, I am discussing you about the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense. Can you tell me what is called the future perfect continuous tense? The future perfect continuous tense is used for an action which will be in progress at over a period of time that will end in the future, or it denotes an action that will be continue before the completion of another future action. It is called the future perfect continuous tense. As for example, I shall have been waiting for you until you come back. Again, they will have been reading the book for 3 hours. Okay? Again, I am discussing you about the structure of present tense. How you will make a sentence in the present indefinite tense of affirmative or assertive sentence. Now, look on the whiteboard. When you will make affirmative or assertive sentence of future indefinite tense, present indefinite tense, then number 1, subject plus principal verb present form plus object. As for example, I go to school. Next, he reads a book. Here, reads. Here, subject, if the singular number third person, then you will add s or yes plus principal verbs. Add principal verbs plus object. Here, he, subject, third person singular number. So, they are s or yes, add principal verb reads plus object a book. Okay, thank you. I hope that tomorrow I shall discussing about the present continuous tense structures of sentences. Okay, thank you.